In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete contacts who hard bounced on a marketing email. Cleaning up your email list is one of the most important things you can do to protect your sender reputation and improve deliverability. Hard bounces usually mean that an email address is invalid or can't receive messages at all. If you keep sending to those addresses, it can hurt your domain's reputation and even cause your future emails to land in spam. So in this tutorial, I'll walk you through how to find those hard bounced contacts in HubSpot and safely remove them from your database. Start by logging into your HubSpot account. Once you're in, look over to the left-hand toolbar. You're looking for the marketing icon. Hover your mouse over that icon to open the marketing options and then click on email. This will take you into the email section where HubSpot manages your campaigns and related tools. Inside the email area, move your attention to the top right corner of the screen. You'll see an option called Email Tools. Click on that, and a drop-down menu will appear. From that drop-down, select the option that says Create List of Hard Bounced Contacts. As soon as you select it, a pop-up window will appear where you can configure the details of your new segment. In this pop-up, start by editing the segment name so it's clear and descriptive. For example, you might name it something like Hard Bounced Contacts Last 90 Days. A good name makes it easier to recognize and reuse later. Just below that, you'll see the Hard Bounce Reasons field. HubSpot will automatically pre-fill all the common reasons, things like unknown user, content, spam, mailbox full, policy, and other. All of these will be included by default. If there are any reasons you don't want to include in this cleanup, you can click the small X icon next to that reason to remove it from the filter. Next, set the rolling time frame start and end dates. The rolling time frame lets you decide how far back you want to look for hard bounces. For example, you might choose a period like the last 30, 60, or 90 days, depending on how often you send campaigns and how aggressive you want your list cleanup to be. Take a moment to think about what makes sense for your marketing cadence. Once you're happy with the segment name, the selected hard bounce reasons, and the time frame, go down to the bottom of the pop-up and click Create Segment. HubSpot will now build a list of all contacts that match those criteria. When the list has finished populating, open it and review the contacts if you'd like an extra check. When you're ready, you can proceed to delete those contacts directly from this list. This removes them from your database so they won't receive future campaigns and won't keep harming your deliverability. And that's it. You've successfully created a segment of hard bounced contacts and deleted them, keeping your marketing list cleaner, healthier, and more effective for your future email campaigns.